Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to restore icons which are missing from the start menu in Windows 11. Sometimes it happens after you make any change to your computer, like you install any software or any hardware on your computer. And as soon as you restart your computer, all of a sudden there are no icons on your start menu. And then I'll show you how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay dito lang sa taskbar. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung task manager. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa task manager, dito lang sa background processes. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung Windows Explorer. Okay, so scroll down hanggang sa dulo. Right, so ito siya. So dito sa Windows Explorer ay kailangan mo na i-click yan. And then right click. And then kailangan mo na itong restart. So i-click mo lang itong restart. And then wait natin. Alright. So ang next step ay close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa start menu. So click mo lang yan. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. And then if you receive user account control, i-click mo lang tong yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na dsum space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then paste lang natin dito. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. And so, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin hintayin ito na makomplete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin ay enter ay type mo lang yung sfc space slash scan now. So, one word yung slash scan now and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. Kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Alright, so makita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin itong i-close ng CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. So i-click mo lang itong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix icons missing from start menu on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.